We are on the cusp of the commencement of Boys and Girls Champs 2023. And as usual, the excitement is mounting. And what would champs be without the world-famous Maverick Champs prediction? Before we get there though, we're still trying to get used to the new champs schedule, with most significantly, the running of all the 100-meter finals on Wednesday instead of the traditional Friday. Personally, I still don't like the change. Never liked it for the Olympics or the World Championships, and I still don't like it for champs. The stellar blue ribbon event should not be run on the first or even the second day of a championship. We should have a build-up to the big event instead of just run it so boop. That to me is anticlimactic, but it is what it is. Anyway, prediction time, quick and fast. Girls champs, Heidel, Homewood, and Edwin Allen are the top contenders. But I think Edwin Allen will prevail over Heidel from Homewood. Now, on the boys' side, the top contenders are JC, Casey, and Calabar. Yes, JC, Casey, and Calabar. You don't know that? JC, Casey, and Calabar. In that order. And that's my prediction.